this is how you use original audio. So the first thing you're going to do is go down here to the Reels icon. And this is assuming you don't know what Reels you want to use. This is the one you want to use. You're going to go down here where it says original audio, tap that. Now, if you want to use it later, you can hit save over here. You can see I've already saved this audio to use later. I'll show you how to find saved audio next. If you want to use it right then you're going to tap use audio right here. And then you literally will just start recording. So you're going to tap this. You can see the audio is selected up here. And so you're just going to tap the button here.
La, 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 la. Shh. Living my life.
And so then I'm going to hit preview, and then you can see if you did it right.
La, 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 la. Shh. Living my life.
So that actually looks good.
La, la, la,
but here's a little hack. If you want to redo it, you'll go back to this back arrow. And then you'll have to go down here to this little area. And you would have to put it in the trash can if you didn't like it.
Living my life.
Okay, so I'm just going to discard this and show you what it would be like if it's like a harder voiceover to do. You can go to the speed and speed it up to like 2 times or 3 times. And let me show you what this does. It makes it easier to do the voiceover. So I'm going to tap, hold here.
La, 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 la. Living my life. Yeah.
So this is what it would look like.
La, 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 la. Shh. Living my life. Yeah.
So that's what happens if you speed it up. If it's like a really, like that audio was pretty easy to do, but if it was harder, that's something you could do. So again, hit preview.
La, 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 la.
And then you go add your text if normal. You can also search by audio if you want to. So let's just go say we're going to hit the plus sign here and we're going to go do a reel. So I'm going to go up here to audio. You can do it this way too. So you can't search by like the original audio trending sounds. However, you can go to the saved and this will show you, you can see all the original audios I've saved. I've saved a ton. So the best way to find these are just to kind of watch Reels and see like what's trending. Or I've been really liking the Preview app account. They always are giving trending audios right here. You can just literally go to her account, go down here to the little person, tap it, tap here, and then you would just have to go find that particular reel. I think the easiest way to do it is to just go down and like watch Reels and see what you like.
That's a really solid question. The answer.
Go down here, tap original audio. And like I said, you can hit use right then, or if you save it, and when you do save it, there's 2 ways you can find it. One way to find it is to just go do a reel, tap audio, look at your saved, or you can go to the 3 lines at the top right, the hamburger menu. You can go to saved, and then you can see all of your saved audios here as well.